Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our crew. So I feel like it's been forever since I have filmed. So the fires hit here in Oregon and that was crazy. And then all the smoke and everything, and I got sick, and I've just been super busy dealing with some other stuff that's going on. So for today, I have something that is going to lift my spirits so much. I always love doing these videos. They're so much fun. So you can already tell from the title what we're doing today. And it is the Gramma in a box. I love doing this so much. It's so much fun, and it makes you feel like a baker or like a cake decorator or something, but you don't really have to get all the ingredients together or try to make the frosting the way this frosting is amazingly made. And I absolutely love it. So if you'd like to see what came in this box, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so let's read up a little bit about this box and then let's get to decorating. So this is Gramma in a box. This is October's box, so unfortunately it's no longer available, but I've seen sneak peeks of the November box, and honestly, every single theme she does is so adorable and so cute. So this is the perfect gift to send the children or adults in your family who are home during the pandemic or due to the at-home learning that kids and parents are doing right now. It's perfect for family bonding time or something to keep the kids busy for a little while so mom can get a couple of breaths in maybe. And it is so much fun. Right now you can get Gramma in a box for 10% off if you sign up for the auto debit, which is the reoccurring monthly payment, or one of the prepaid options. Or if you just want a one-time box, it's $22. So much fun. Absolutely. I always look forward to doing this box. So the fact that I'm doing this one a little bit late, you can tell it's been rough. So I'm going to pop into this and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like. So excited. Okie dokie. So it is October 2020 Halloween themed treats. I love Halloween. I don't care if it's October or not. Halloween could be year round and I'd be so happy. By the way, how was your guys' Halloween? Leave down below in the comments what you guys did for Halloween. I'm very interested in hearing what you guys did. So I went to 2 pumpkin patches on Halloween and then ate a really nice fancy dinner and got to see the beautiful moon. Did you guys see the beautiful moon? It was so adorable. Okay, so here we go. This says everything that's in the box, but we're just going to go through it together. If you want to subscribe, the deadline for the November box is November 3rd, so that's going to be hitting it pretty close. I'm going to try to get this up by tonight, which is October 2nd, so that way you guys will have a chance to get in by tomorrow for the November theme, which it's going to be Thanksgiving themed, so yeah, super adorable. Okay, so the first project is going to be spooky witches hats. I love these. I keep all of these cards to reference later so I can get some of the ingredients that come with it because they're all like easy to find ingredients. It's just really nice when they're all prepackaged and ready to go in the box so you don't have to go out to the store if you're worried about going out to the store or anything like that. It's all ready to go right here for you. So I like to keep these cards so I can reference them later and then do the treat with the kids later on. And then I also really love, and I don't believe this is something that I had mentioned in my last video, that all the ingredients for everything included in the box is in the back, which is very helpful for me and my family because my youngest son is allergic to things, and then I just found out that I'm allergic to things. It was so sad. I found out that I'm deathly allergic to crab and shellfish and stuff. So I had a really fun ER visit that night and no longer will be eating shellfish. So I really appreciate that the ingredients are on the back of the cards. The second project is crispy Halloween bites. So that kind of reminds me of the ABC bites we did for the back to school one. So that's really nice. And then the third project is the Halloween cookies. And I always love seeing all of the different little things that she does for her box. I remember doing this one. That one was really fun. So let's pop into the ingredients. Okay, so when you open it, that's what it looks like. It's packaged in that nice polka dot paper with the sticker right there. I'm so excited. So it comes with the candy kisses right there. That's for our first project. And then we have, looks like Cocoa Puffs. Not Cocoa Puffs. The cocoa, it's not Fruity Pebbles, but it's like the Cocoa Pebbles. There we go. I couldn't think of it for a moment. And then it looks like some ginger snap cookies. Ooh. The little sleeves we need for one of them. That's another thing I love about this box. It literally almost comes with every single thing you need. There's these little like skull candies right there. And then we have this, and this is different. Oh, okay, because some of the sprinkles and stuff were leaking out of the container, so they went about it a different way this time. So it says, thank you for supporting my small business, which yes, we support small businesses on this channel always. But I think this is what they were trying to do to try to combat that problem. So we have orange icing and purple icing. Look how vibrant those are. Oh my God. And then we have the white icing. And then we have our cookies, of course. We have the witches' hats. And then we have little ghosties. And then we have little pumpkins and big pumpkins. We have our melting chocolate. And we have our sprinkles, and my mailman was a jerk. So one of them one of the lids just barely popped open on one of them, but no biggie. But this added little baggie in here helped to make it so it didn't like spread throughout the whole box. So good job, Grandma Terry. And then we got all of our little sprinkles right there, which, by the way, I normally always have leftover sprinkles for this box, and I keep them all for future projects if I want to add different colored sprinkles to them, or if I'm baking different cookies throughout the month, I have sprinkles ready to go. I absolutely love that. And then it always comes with parchment paper to do your projects on. So I am going to prep the first project, and I'll be right back. By the way, you guys, what do you think about my jacket? I have gotten so much compliments on it, and I think it's so funny because I feel like it's that like color blocking or whatever that James Charles and H3H3 were fighting about, but Nike did it first. Anyways, so I went and I melted the chocolate, and we're going to take our ginger snap right here. We're going to put a little dollop on it and then spread it around. Also, just so you guys know, if you guys get your guys' boxes and you keep it in the fridge, which is where I kept mine to make sure it would last longer, because it does have an expiration date on it. I had to melt my chocolate a little bit longer than the instructions said. So that is okay. We're going to take our kiss and put it on there. It's a little bit white because, like I said, I had it in the fridge. And we're going to take a little sprinkles. These are amazing. They're always full to the very brim, to the very top. And take our sprinkles and put them around the edge. Ta-da! And there we go. Our little witches' hats. Not adorable. Alrighty, I'm going to go complete the rest of them off camera, and we will start our next one. Okay, so I am all done with the witches' hats, and look how much sprinkles is left afterwards. I barely had to use any of these sprinkles. I just think that's really cool because this is something you can use even after the projects are done. Plus, I also like to keep the little containers and reuse them to cut down on waste and stuff. So that's also cool. Now we're gonna go on to our second project, which is the Crispy Halloween Bites. We are going to take these little paper things right here. We are going to take this chocolate cereal. Why can't I think of that? And I believe we are going to dump this into the melted chocolate. And then we're going to drop a spoonful of the chocolate mixture into each of the paper cups. And then we're going to put some of the skulls and bones on top. And we can add sprinkles to it as well. So let's do it. Boop. And then we're going to mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. I guess maybe I should have reheated it a little bit, but that's okay. It's still all stuck together. Now we're gonna take this little cup. We're gonna put a spoonful of this in there. I'm gonna go reheat it. I'll be right back. Should have known, Grandma's always right. So I went and microwaved it. Now it is a lot easier to work with. We're gonna take a little spoonful of that. We're gonna drop it in our little paper cup. We're gonna take our skeleton and bones and some more of these sprinkles that we used for the first one. Then here is our Crispy Halloween Bites. Yummy. I'm gonna finish the rest of these off camera really quick before this chocolate hardens again, and we will be back to do the cookies. Leftover little candies. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're going to do just one of the cookies really quickly together, and that will conclude the video. This was so much fun. I have missed you guys so much. It was so nice to be able to get back on camera and just have fun, sit here and chat with you guys, decorate cookies and stuff with you. So be sure to let me know down below what's been going on with you guys. How are you guys doing through all of this madness that is our world these days? Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Oh no, there's my cutter. Okay, so we're gonna take the orange. You have to knead it a little bit, especially if it's been in the fridge or if it's just plain cold where you are and this comes in the mail. You will probably need to knead it and warm it up a bit. Okay, then cut off the tip. And I picked one of the little pumpkins right there. Now let's get to decorating. Sorry if you guys hear any noise from outside. Somebody's out there mowing the yard. I'm gonna try to do it like I did before. I did one of these off camera last time, and basically I just put a ton of this icing everywhere and then kind of just got it to swirl around, kind of like royal icing, and the end product was just super beautiful. So I'm gonna try to do that with you guys right now on camera because it was so pretty. So I'm gonna take my little chocolate. It's not gonna work for me this time, is it? No, of course not, because I'm on camera. Okay, while that settles, because that's where the magic happens, I'm going to take this purple right here and make a face and a little bit of white. And then of course, a little bit of sprinkles. Well, doesn't he just look like a fantastic little pumpkin guy? And some sprinkles. So proud of my artwork. Alrighty. And here he is. Don't you see how it just like settled so shiny? Oh, his eye's trying to fall down. Alrighty, you guys, so that was my Gramma in a box for October. Please let me know what you think down below. And of course, I will have all of her stuff linked down below, all the information you need down below. And I love you guys so, so very much. And I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.